Yes, the question is what is the philosophy of coaching in Eastern wisdom? Coaching and mentoring in Eastern wisdom declares that we can bring an end to the suffering in personal, professional, social, and family lives. And that is what is all about the coaching. It covers personal life, professional life, social life, family life. So you can name it in a different way. Personal coaching, relationship coaching, business coaching, etc., etc., etc. It is done by awakening to the real self. It's a new concept in Western world, and removing the ignorance. It is the ignorance that causes the suffering. So, real self is of the nature of permanent peace, happiness, love, truth, and wisdom. After 1 year of constant coaching and mentoring, this women wrote me that in the first couple of sessions, you have been telling me that there is a permanent peace. And my mind started thinking how crazy you are. But now I believe I have a faith because of all these practices and the guidance that yes, there is a permanent peace and happiness. It takes time. So now see that when we compare all other philosophies, says that the humans have inner and immeasurable potential. Are they clear? They are not clear. They are not clear if permanent peace, happiness, love, truth, and wisdom can be explored, discovered by the method and the practices, and you can start living into that. It's not there. Another challenge, I won't say problem, but another challenge the modern coaching is that they do not have the practices. One, and second, that there is no personalization and customization of these practices. We have thousands of practices, and each practice can be customized, personalized to suit individual, group, irrespective of the age, gender. That is the philosophy of coaching the Eastern wisdom. Eastern wisdom offers sound philosophy and practices. Again, I would say, based on the tested and the validated knowledge. Who is the coach in Eastern wisdom? Guru. Guru in Eastern wisdom can easily personalize and customize the practices that not only suits individual but also the groups, and it can have a focused coaching. I would also like to compare, many people ask me, do you teach positive psychology? I'm interested in that. Entire Eastern wisdom is only positive psychology. We need not to declare it. It begins and ends with the positive psychology, then transcends even the positive psychology. The most important thing in Eastern wisdom that it focuses on how knowledge can be realized step by step. I told you, for example, peace is your essential nature, but you have to realize that peace so that the person, the mentee, or who is receiving the coaching can think, speak, and act 24 by 7 in peace, happiness, creativity, wisdom, love, and truth, my dear friend. The coaching in Eastern wisdom is unique.